Yo, what's up everyone, it's Senda here and welcome back for a brand new Motovlog. I've got some huge plans in the works, that's what I'm trying to say. And currently I came to school, I rode to school because I started a bit later, and I found out that we started 20 minutes later and I was 50 minutes early, so I have a lot of time to spare, and I decided why not make a Motovlog during that time. So yeah, hope I don't get stopped and miss my class because that's the best class in the week I got. So yeah, so if you don't know, I'm in high school, and yeah. But I just want to make this Motovlog because first of all, I didn't want to miss this upload on Friday, so hopefully I can get this Motovlog up before Friday, on Friday I mean, because I just try and keep the uploads free, uploading every day until New Year's, and try and keep it on to 2019, but see how long I can keep the streak. It's going pretty well, and you guys have been loving the video, so trying to keep that up for you guys. So it's a quick Motovlog, maybe like 20 minutes. I'm recording right now, maybe a bit later as well, so gonna see how that goes. But another moped gang going strong right now. And also yesterday me and my dad fixed the gas drive because that was off, and I also fixed the clutch wires. Now everything is just going so smooth, and we also changed on top of the carburetor where the gas wire goes styled into the carburetor. We changed that thing out, so now this thing is smooth AF though. So it's like the clutch is amazing. My clutch wire was so close to like cutting in half. It was just destroyed, and now my clutch is amazing. I haven't tried to do wheelies yet, but that's definitely on the agenda. And yeah, this is just amazing. Yeah, I forgot all my protective gear in school because I just want to get out and ride as fast as possible. I'm just gonna stop right here to check. I got 15 minutes. I might have bought a new bike. So please guess in the comment section down below which bike you think it is, and if you already know, then you can comment anyways, but you know, whatever. Okay, I see. I haven't done wheelies for like it's been a week now since I last attempted a wheelie on my moped, so oh, it hurts in your hands so much. My grips are so bad for my hands, it's insane. I need to wear my gloves, and my gloves are in school. Okay, maybe practice my stop a bit. Okay, I just can stop here. Sketchy people. That's why on a Supermoto, because you just can pass everyone. That should be my thing, you know. Every YouTuber has their own thing, you know, they say whatever. Well, it should be because I'm on a Supermoto, or because I was a Supermoto, or that's why you're on a Supermoto, something like that. You know what I mean. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, as always, make sure you give a big fat thumbs up and like subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. We're on the road to 100 subscribers. It would just be amazing to hit that. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit that red looking subscribe button, turn that white, because that would be amazing. Comment something down below, I will be there as fast as possible, talking with you. I love interacting with you guys, so please leave a comment down there, that would be amazing. But that's about it for this Motovlog, the last one, but next week, hopefully, or the week after that, it's gonna be a huge video, so look out for that. And leave a guess in the comment section what bike you think I bought, and what I'm gonna do with it. Let me know that in the comment section down below. But that's been it. It's been your boy Senda, and I'm out. Take it easy, and remember, take it easy. It's been your boy Senda. Take it easy. It's been your boy Senda, and I'm out. Stay positive. But remember, stay positive. Wait, what's it? What do I say? I haven't motovlogged in so long, I forgot my own outro. that's been it for this video, guys. And if you want to see more, I will come up with my outro later. So yeah, that's been it. You know what, and I'm out. Peace.